No, rather. Section 4, paragraph C. On or at a fixed period after the occurrence of a specified event which is certain to happen through the time of happening be uncertain. Okay. At the fixed after the occurrence of a specified event which is certain to happen through the time of happening be uncertain. Specified event, like for example, there is an event that is not certain when to happen, but surely it will happen. Let's say for example, I will pay you when the let's say you're going to go to the NASA. If NASA would come back, or the rocket ship would come back after it was after it would reach the moon, it will come back, hopefully. So that is certain happen. It will happen, certainly, but we don't know when will it happen. That is what the section 4, paragraph C means when but this is very impractical, and whenever the debtor make that provisions on the promissory note, be sure you would not be able to be paid. I'm just be sure. Due to experience, you know already. An instrument payable upon a contingency is not negotiable, and the happening of it does not cure the effect. So this contingency is there. So as I have said, all these provisions are again a repetition of section 1, paragraph D. Okay. Section 5. Additional provisions not affecting negotiability. An instrument could contain an order or promise to do any act in addition to the payment of money is not negotiable. But the negotiable character of instrument, otherwise negotiable, is not affected by a provision which A. authorizes the sale of collateral security in case the instrument be not paid at maturity. B. authorizes a confession of a judgment if the instrument be not paid or maturity, or waives the benefit of any law intended for the advantage or protection of the obligor. D. gives the holder election to require something to be done in lieu of a payment of money. But nothing in this section shall validate any probation or situation otherwise illegal. Okay. We go to, again, we have to discuss this again, provisions. Itong mga pandagdag, this is additional provisions only of a negotiable instrument, but it does not affect the negotiability of the negotiable instrument. Authorizes the sale of collateral. Okay. Authorizes confession of judgment may not paid at maturity. Gives the benefit of law. And gives the holder election. When you say gives the holder an election, something to be done. So it is always the payee, the holder, the obligee that has the choice. When it's the maker or the drawer that has the choice, it becomes non-negotiable. It is already unconditional. Take note of that. If the election or the choice remains of the holder, what kind of payment, okay lang. But if it's the drawer, the drawer, the maker, the one who issued, the obligor, the one to pay, that is had election or the choice to what to pay the payee, it is not a negotiable instrument. Take note of that. Section 6. Omission. Sale particular money. The validity and negotiable character of an instrument are not affected by the fact that it is not dated. B. Does not specify the value given or that any value has been given therefore. D. Does not say the place which is to drawn or place which is payable. Bears a sale, or D. Designate a particular current money in which payment is to be made. But nothing in this section shall alter, repeal, or any statute or in certain cases the nature of the consideration to be stated and then instrument.